What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has dropped 3% in the last 24 hours. However, it is slowly starting to pick up in value, so we're going to be looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, because Bitcoin has pumped up just about 7%, hitting $47,000 guys after a good 2 years. Is finally pumping and is hitting these values after 2 years. So it is a big day for the crypto market, and it is likely to carry on pumping in value for the rest of January. But again, do expect dips in between. I'm not saying it's going to hit huge numbers, but it is likely to stay on the green side. So what's in it for Milady meme coin? Is it going to follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin? Because so far it has been pumping in value as Bitcoin has also been pumping. So is now the right time to buy it before it pumps up higher? Is it the right time to sell it before it crashes back down? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also covering its prediction for the rest of 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see that Milady meme coin is still performing below the average value here, meaning it's still not performing too well. But we can see that it is getting very close to each other, which we will be going through later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is literally, well, it is slanting towards the positive direction. It does look like it is going in a straight line, but it is just about looking positive. So an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting any major pumps or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. However, do expect red candles in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back. But as I mentioned, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking quite bullish, going in a positive direction. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, Milady meme coin should again be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But again, I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that. I'm expecting consistent increases in value with the odd red day in between over the next week or so. So once again, more increases in value are expected from Milady meme coin. And yes guys, I'm expecting about a 10 to 12% increase over the next week or so, depending of course on how Bitcoin performs. However, because the crypto market has gone through a little bit of an increase in the last 24 hours, I'm expecting it to go through a little bit of a step back over the coming days, potentially a little bit of a price correction, and then pump back up again towards mid to end of the week, leaving us with an overall minimal increase in value, as there will potentially be a slight dip in between. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are not looking too great. We still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Reason for that, as mentioned in previous videos, is due to the major drop that's been taking place over the last 3 weeks guys, since the 15th of December. But overall, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late February, early March, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to have pumped back up in value, back to where it was trading at in mid-December, and potentially heading even higher than that by mid to late March. So towards the end of quarter one of this year, I am expecting Milady meme coin to have gone through an overall quite of a major increase, and even higher than that by mid-year. I'm expecting big news and increases from Milady meme coin, but I have been giving you guys daily updates on this crypto just to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect, what to predict, and so on. And I will make sure to do that for you guys as well in the future. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and move on to the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. I'm not going to spend too much time explaining this, as I've mentioned in previous videos. I'm essentially expecting it to head up into the green zone towards the end of this quarter to quarter two. We should be trading in the green zone is what my expectations are at the moment. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, I am expecting, yes guys, the trading volume is slowly going up right now, 13% up, making it $4 million, and it is likely to go up even higher over the coming hours as it is pumping, and it is likely to carry on pumping in value as well. So more and more people are likely to trade the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning the trading volume is likely to go higher, which will also help the value of Milady meme coin increase as well. So as you guys can see on the side here, majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the green side today, especially over the last couple of hours when Bitcoin pumped up to $46,000 and then randomly just shot up to $47,000 right now. Due to the random shot up in value, it is likely to go for a little bit of a step back over the coming potentially 2 to 3 days. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Milady meme coin, guys. Again, by the end of the year, I'm expecting it to have got rid of 1 zeros, potentially getting close to getting rid of 2 zeros, but not quite there yet, because again, just like every other crypto, guys, we're going to have to go through a slow and steady increase in value. We don't want a random major pump in value, because what ends up happening is it ends up dropping back down in value, just like what's happened here. This is a prime example. What we want is a slow and steady increase in value, which makes it much more sustainable, and it's very good for the long-term hold, just what I like doing as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Any questions that you guys have for Milady meme coin, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them in my next update, which should hopefully be tomorrow. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace. What is